I can honestly say, and it's a big surprise to me, that I have never had a dream about being on the moon. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Well, I think we tried very hard. Not to be overconfident, because when you get overconfident, that's when something snaps up and bites you. Yeah, I wasn't chosen to be first. I was just chosen to command that flight. Circumstance put me in that particular role. That wasn't planned by anyone. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. Research is creating new knowledge. People love conspiracy theories. I think we're going to the moon because it's in the nature of the human being to face challenges. It's by the nature of his deep inner soul. We're required to do these things just as salmon swim upstream. I guess we all like to be recognized not for one piece of fireworks, but for the ledger of our daily work. It suddenly struck me that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand. I thought the attractions of being an astronaut were actually not so much the moon, but flying in a completely new medium. In much of society, research means to investigate something you do not know or understand. The one thing I regret was that my work required an enormous amount of my time, and a lot of travel. We had hundreds of thousands of people, all dedicated to doing the perfect job, and I think they did about as well as anyone could ever have expected.